Pwede mo split. Okay, number 3. Ilaw, paki. Number 4, please. Number 4. Number 4. Let's go. And then after this, you guys should dance with her. I'm just gonna do some moves. You have to like copy the moves, right? You ready? Number 4. You go one time. Let's go. Please. Number 5. Yeah. This is the lady from Calvin. No, okay, number 5. Stay there. You ready? And then after that, pila sa lulili ha. Let's go! Lady number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just please stand up. Dili mo sa taas. That's stay for today. You have to stay here. And then there'll be like your backup dancers. You guys still have to go sexy this. This is the last round. You are dancing with her now. Alright? So if you want to copy the moves, if you good, then go ahead. Everybody gets to be the judges, right? One lady goes home with 1 bottle of tequila and 500 pesos courtesy of Major Polycat. Ladies, stand up please. Kay si Ma'am Lorini, ready na kayo, kapalikat na. She's ready to go. Alright. DJ Mapping, ready, man? Let's go.